Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Guys, yesterday I uploaded one video on YouTube about September month biggest planet change, and I also predicted about COVID-19 which will going to reduce its effect after 29 September. So I got a lot of emails and WhatsApp and lot of viewers are asking same question. Is this going to reduce, is this going to finish our effect, or COVID-19 is going to finish? So my answer and my reply for all of you, it's not going to finish. It will reduce their effect. It will reduce its effects, because 29 September, when Saturn goes to direct and Rahu Ketu change our sign from 23rd of September, humanity will be on better position. From 29 September to next couple of months like October, November, December, we will be in a better position compared to last 6 months. And we really learn a lot of good things in this COVID period, in last few months. How can we live our life in a better way, in a better lifestyle? How can we maintain? So I think, and I suggest to all my viewers, stay strong and stay positive. Don't go in depression. Things will slowly work out after 29th of September 2020 to next couple of months. We will be in a better position. I'm telling again and again, and this is my prediction for COVID-19. From 29th of September, flights are started. We can travel here from there. There's no doubt. And those people who are stuck in one country and they want to move over homeland, they are starting moving, and flights are starting working, airports are starting working, even schools and education will start working after 29 September. There is no doubt, because COVID, it will change our effects, it will reduce our effect. So guys, please stay strong, because I just learned few things in last couple of months. When life go out of control, होठों को करके बोल, सीटी बजा के बोल, all is well. So this is a time when you do something good for others. This is a time when God check your patience and God check your humanity and your heart, which type of person you are, how caring you are for other humans. So I would suggest you, to all of my friends, please try to help others. If someone suffering due to this COVID, if someone suffering due to money related problem, if they don't have money for our medical treatment or medical test, please help someone. This is the biggest humanity, and God is watching every person on this earth. Every karma and every person God is watching. Planets are watching, especially Saturn are watching to every karma. Like which type of thinking I have, which type of karma I have, Saturn is watching. Which type of karma you are doing, Saturn is watching. So I just request to all of my friends, please do something good for those people who are needy, especially in this COVID-19. They lose our job, they don't have food for eat. I know a lot of people, and I'm trying to best to serve something, but I would suggest to all of you, please do some wonders for others, because this is a time when we want to do something for humanity, we want to do something for humans, and when we do something good, then fortune started turn for our favor automatically. This is a nature. What goes around come around. If you do good for others, good things will automatically come to you. So guys, I really request to all of you with folding hands, stay positive, stay happy, don't go in depression. We are very near to our destination. After 29 September to next couple of months, things will be in a better side. Keep watching my videos. I'm trying my best to sharing my knowledge with you. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.